Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Adrian, this is Pop at 50, and today we have yet another Patreon special. That's right, somebody joined the Patreon. I think it was Dre, maybe Lander, I'm not sure. I'd have to look it back up again. I do apologize about that. Sorry, man, sorry! But they wanted to listen to Cascada's Dangerous and how I would react to that. So, being a member of the Patreon, I had to oblige them, and here we are with Cascade is Dangerous. You too can join the Patreon at patreon.com/supermachojedi and get priority access to how fast I will record and produce and release a song reaction just for you. Check out all the links in the description. I got a whole other channel and a whole nother channel on top of that. But today we're focusing on pop. So that's why you're here. Why don't we listen to Cascada and see what we feel? Okay, that was amazingly loud. Let's turn that down just a little bit.
Don't know anything about you, so close, just a touch away. Your love hits me like no other.
Don't know anything about you, but your love touches me. It's not loving, baby.
They say I'm a true believer. I know, but some things take it over now. I wanna run, but I don't know how. You just crossed my border now.
You crossed my border. My line of demarcation.
Just a kiss away. Give me a break. I'm melting away. You're so dangerous.
Wow.
Or is it too late? Gotta know what.
Oh man, don't go spying on people. What was that about?
Gotta know what's on your mind. I'm out of control, 'cause you want it all. You're so dangerous. My biggest mistake, I'm blinded by your eyes. Dangerous.
Wow, this is I wish that I was still club going age, because I would go up and shake my ass to this song and be unashamed, hoping that anybody would be like dance with me at the time. Just like I did in Downtown Seoul all those years ago at the King Club and the Twilight Zone and so many other places. Let's go hear some more. There are a lot of expensive cars in this video, man. Am I supposed to relate to this or just shake my ass?
Don't you push it to the limit, 'cause you know I'm hungry for your touch. No doubt, I wanna be a lover. They say, just a pretender. I know something's taking over now. I wanna run, but I don't know how.
It's a heist video.
You've just crossed my border now. We're standing face to face. Give me a break. I'm melting away. You're so dangerous. Or is it too late? Gotta know what's on your mind.
Oops, he's caught. Caught.
I'm out of control, 'cause you want it all. You're so dangerous.
Man, he's not outside his refractory period yet. You gotta leave, dude. You're in the middle of a heist. You have to leave. Oh, she took it. That's what you get, buddy.
My biggest mistake.
That it looks like a very expensive video. I'm not sure I can relate to that. But this thing has got an incredibly energetic beat, and I would shake it to that. I would have a lot of fun in the club to this if I was actually club age. They would never let me in the club anymore, no matter how much I dye my hair. But this was a lot of fun. Keep popping, babies.